To open the camera app without having to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to assign one of the app shortcut on the lock screen to camera app. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style. Next, tap the lock screen thumbnail. As the example, we will set the left app shortcut to camera app. To do so, tap the plus icon at the bottom left corner of the lock screen. Select camera. And then tap done button to save the change. To see how it works, go to your lock screen. Drag the camera icon inward to open the camera without you have to unlock your phone first. Now you are ready to take a photo or record video. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.